this is freight train line dance. We're gonna start by stepping back on our right, and you can add flair just by kicking this left leg up. You rock back to your left. You're gonna grapevine to the right by starting on your right foot, left behind, right, rock step to the side. Then from here, you're going to do a 360 spin and end up facing that way. So you're gonna start back on your right, you're turning over your left shoulder, continue spinning, rock on that right. From here, you are cha-chaing to the other side. So cha-cha-cha, left rock step, and then back. And from here it starts over, step back on the left, kick right up, step back on the right, kick the left up, rock back, grapevine, spin, cha-cha, cha-cha. That's the freight train lane dance.